What's going on YouTube? I've got a really small RC to show you today, but don't let the size fool you. This thing got some serious potential. This is the Jiabaile 136 scale off-road monster truck. So let's check out the box. Like I said, this is a 136 scale off-road vehicle. I'm not sure if I should call it an off-road vehicle or a crawler, because a Jeep is a crawler, but a monster truck isn't. So not too sure what this is, but I'll just call it an off-road vehicle. But we will do crawling and off-road stuff with this, so we can see how well it does in both categories. So taking a look around at the box, we can see that this thing has lights, four-wheel drive, throttle curve upgrade, steering drive gear, so it has a servo, proportional control, has a throttle limit of 20, 50, 100%, rubber tires, important, ready to run, LiPo battery, paint of a simulation vehicle, FHSS, not sure what that is, metal wheel hubs, so that's cool, shock absorbers, and it just says working time right here. Not sure what that means. You can see this is the monster truck version, and here's the two together here. I do like the Jeep, don't get me wrong, but man, look at that. I love 70s retro pickup trucks, so this was right up my alley, and yeah, let's get it open. So I got this monster truck from bestbuyboxes.com. Let me tell you guys, that website is awesome. They have a lot of RC stuff, and not only RC stuff, like most of the RCs they carry parts for it too. So you know how you buy like an off-brand RC car and you're not even sure if you're gonna get parts or not? Well, bestbuyboxes.com, they list parts underneath the RCs and everything. So it is an awesome website. I highly recommend checking it out. See here, we have the instruction manual for this. Then we lift this up and bam, there is our little monster truck. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh man, I am super excited. Wow. Holy crap. Look at this thing. Check out these little rubber tires and metal wheels. Man, this thing is wicked sick. I mean, come on. Amazing that this is an RC car. Let's see what else is in the box. The transmitter is in there somewhere. Yep, there it is. So we got the transmitter here. Wow, it is tiny too. I'll take a look at that in a second. And then we have a USB charging cable. And yeah, I think that's about it. Yep, that is all. All right, let's take a look at this transmitter. So we have a on and off switch right there. We also have a headlight on and off switch there. And this is our speed control. This is our hazard lights. And there is a LED here that indicates speed when you hit the switches. And we also have steering trim left and right here. So pretty basic setup. It works really well. I tried it out already. No complaints. Now, we have to appreciate this truck because, man, there's a lot of details here. Check out that servo there. That is tiny. And those little shocks, man. I know it might be a little hard to see, but yeah. Tiny little shocks. Metal frame rail chassis. Got the differentials. The tiny drive shafts. Come on. And I know it's super hard to see, but tucked under there has got to be the smallest RC motor I have ever seen in my life. Like, this thing is amazing. Yeah, there you go. There's that little motor. Wow. Man. This is the coolest thing ever. So let's turn it on. As you can see, we have headlights. And we have taillights. So you can hit the hazard switch. You got the hazards on. The headlight switch. Bam. Taillights. Steering. Now we're going to do a speed test. Not the usual way I do it, but just visually. So right now, as you can see by the LED, it's green, so that is the lowest speed. You can see. So this is probably like crawling mode. Not too fast. All right. Now we're going to go up to medium speed. That's pretty good. All right. Now we're going to go to the red zone. So this is the fastest speed. Oh, almost drove off my desk. All right, let's see if it can wheelie. Nope. Yeah, that is pretty quick. Oh. All right. So that concludes our speed test. So for our next test, we're going to do a couple obstacles here. Some crawling, some bound stuff. This set is not made for this type of scale vehicle. It's a little small, but you know, whatever. We'll try it out and see how it goes. All right, so let's see if this thing can do 38 degrees. I have it on slow mode so we can crawl up this since it's a little wide. Oh yeah, easy, no problem. All right, how about 45? Let's try that. Yep, 45, easy. All right, let's see how it does over these little humps. Ooh, look at that flex. Yeah. Piece of cake. Let's see how it does when we bump the speed up. Oh yeah, official vehicle testing in progress. And how about the highest speed? All right, we're in the red zone now, baby. I think I totally missed. Oh yeah, all right. Here we have our next obstacle. There should be rubber bands here, but this thing's too wide for that, so we're just gonna go over it just like this. I'm gonna put it in, it's gonna be in medium mode. Oh yeah. Come on, this is a piece of cake. Oh, no, we're stuck. I think we high centered, yeah. Oh, all right. Let's try that again. We gotta get a straight shot here. There we go. Straight shot. There we go. Yeah. All right, what's the next test? This should be interesting. Oh, we're a little wide for this. Oh. All right. Let's see if I can get it balanced in the center. Nope. Oh, nope. Nope. This is harder than it seems. Let me put on slower speed. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I can get this thing to balance right in the center. It's not that easy. Ah. All right, last chance. Nope. Ah. So this thing did really good being an indoor crawler on my little course. Let's see if it's a good monster truck with some junk cars that a similar scale to it. Let's do monster truck things. See if we can get over the BMW and Bentley. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, PT Cruiser. Yeah, you're crushed now, buddy. Got some off-road Jeeps here. Going right over those, no problem. Oh, yep, BMW, crushed. All right, so this thing can do monster truck things. Let's see if I can go backwards. All right, this should be tough for it. Oh, hell yeah, look at that thing. Nope. All right, let's see if I can get it slower. Nope. All right, well, it can't go that way, but hey, at least it can go the other way. Let's do that again. That was kind of fun. Yeah, piece of cake. Come on. Oh, no. All right, take two. is what we call micro crawling. Now this is micro crawling at its finest. Big hill, no problem. This crawling beast can take on this root. Oh yeah.